In this video, I will show you how to install the TikTok pixel on your Shopify store. So to do this, you want to go to Shopify and then click apps in the left. Here click all recommended apps and then go to the Shopify app store. Now what you want to do next is just search for TikTok, and then we are going to install the official TikTok app, which is this one right here. It has nearly 25,000 reviews, so click on that one. And you can see in the preview images, you can just connect to your TikTok account and create campaigns directly through your Shopify account, and then you will have connected it on autopilot. So to do this, just click install right there, then confirm by clicking on install again. And now it will open up the TikTok app within your Shopify store. And now what you need to do is just set up your TikTok account with your Shopify store. So if you already have an account, then you can just simply click setup right here and then just click connect right there. Now when you set this up and you complete this, you will have automatically connected your TikTok pixel with your Shopify store. So just set this all up, click connect right there, and then just sign into your TikTok ad account if you already have one. If not, just go and create your account. So after signing into your account, you can just click connect right there. And then you have connected your TikTok for Business account. Next, you want to set up your TikTok Ads Manager. So you can click create new if you don't have one yet, and just go and create it through here. So after you do that, it will take you to data sharing and then the company information. And after you do that, click finish setup, and then you will have set it up completely. And then you can go to shop management, and then you can actually launch ads right here in the TikTok app on Shopify, although you can also see the ones you have already launched, and you will have then successfully connected Shopify to TikTok. So then it will also sync the product statuses. Now this could take 3 to 5 days, but now you have successfully connected the TikTok pixel to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.